In the realm of household cleaning, the Shark Nv360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum stands as a beacon of efficiency, bringing together power, versatility, and innovation. This comprehensive review unveils the features that make this vacuum a game-changer, from its powerful suction and lift-away functionality to its anti-allergen technology and swivel steering. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional vacuums and embrace a new era of cleaning excellence. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction for a deeper clean. At the heart of the Shark Nv360 is its unparalleled suction power, designed to deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with ease. This vacuum isn't just a cleaning tool. It's a powerhouse that effortlessly lifts away dirt and debris, leaving your floors impeccably clean. Say farewell to the frustrations of weak vacuums and welcome a cleaning companion that delivers results. Lift-away functionality. Versatility redefined. The innovative lift-away functionality is a testament to Shark's commitment to user convenience. With the push of a button, detach the pod to clean in hard-to-reach areas, under furniture, or above the floor. No more contorting yourself to reach tight corners or dragging furniture around for a thorough clean. The Shark Nv360 adapts to your cleaning needs, providing unmatched versatility. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology. Breathe easy. For those with allergies, the Shark Nv360 is a breath of fresh air, literally. The Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology, coupled with a HEPA filter, traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ensuring that the air in your home remains clean and allergen-free. This vacuum isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating a healthier living environment. Perfect for pets, tackling pet hair with ease. Pet owners understand the struggle of keeping pet hair at bay. The Shark Nv360 comes equipped with powerful pet hair pickup attachments like the Upholstery tool, making cleaning pet hair a breeze. Say goodbye to stubborn fur clinging to upholstery and carpets. This vacuum is designed with pet owners in mind, providing effective solutions to common cleaning challenges. Swivel steering. Effortless maneuverability. Maneuvering a vacuum should be as easy as the cleaning itself. The Shark Nv360 features swivel steering, allowing you to easily navigate around furniture, in corners, and through tight spaces. No more wrestling with a bulky vacuum. This cleaning companion glides effortlessly, ensuring every inch of your home is accessible. In conclusion, the Shark Nv360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum isn't just a cleaning device, it's a revolution in household maintenance. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and understand why this vacuum isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in cleaning excellence. Elevate your cleaning routine, embrace versatility and power, and let the Shark Nv360 redefine the way you approach household cleanliness. It's time to unleash the cleaning power that your home deserves. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.